Ayan. So, your name po?
Myrian Buenaventura.
Name of business?
MYJ Collections.
And type and description of business po?
Clothing business.
Clothing business online? Or,
Yes.
okay. First question is, how did you become an entrepreneur?
Well, actually, my sister was the one who became an entrepreneur first. Since her boyfriend's mother designed and manufactures various clothing, and my sister finished entrepreneurship, the mother of her boyfriend offered to supply my sister with her manufactured clothes. My sister then would market these clothes to her office mates. Because of how successful her venture went, she proceeded to tell me about it. Listening to what she has said, why don't I do the same? So I talked to my sister about making me her partner in her business. And that's how I began as an entrepreneur.
So parang choices mo na rin to or chances?
Yeah, parang nakita ko kasi na nagiging successful si ate doon sa ginagawa niya without putting money out. Parang hindi niya kailangan mag-cash out agad. Kumbaga, she could get a lot of clothes as much as she wants. Tapos, pag nabayaran na siya, tsaka niya lang babayaran yung supplier niya. Ganon.
Okay. So, gano'n nakatagal yun? Ikaw, bilang entrepreneur?
Oh my God. Hindi
Ano?
ko alam. Wait lang. Ano katagal na nga ba? Wala pa namang year. Months pa lang, I think.
Okay. So, right now, parang ikaw na yung nag-handle mismo? Or partnership pa rin?
Parang may separate na rin ako.
Okay. So, next question is, what do you think are the important qualities of an entrepreneur?
The top characteristic of an entrepreneur for me is perseverance. Without perseverance, you wouldn't be able to make it through the hardships everyone faces in the start of their business. Second, you'd have to have ingenuity, ideas of your own. This is needed so you'd be able to stand out against other entrepreneurs to make you more visible in the market. Third and lastly, you need a stable state of mind so that you will just mentally break down in the face of total failure.
Okay, so based on those three characteristics, which one of those three is the most important for you?
Perseverance.
Okay, perseverance. So, last and final question, what major advice would you give to an aspiring entrepreneur?
To those aspiring entrepreneurs, the advice that I would give them is to persevere, work hard, set up a goal for yourself to reach that, even if your goal is not that high. The satisfaction you get from reaching your goal will help you feel like you could do more, that you would do more. After that, set up bigger and bigger goals for yourself until you get to a point when you look back and tell yourself, hey, it looks like I'm already successful.
What if parang hindi ko sure kung papasok ako dun sa ganong business. Talagang take a risk.
What do you mean? Hindi ka sigurado?
Oo.
Pero if you really want to be an entrepreneur, ready kang mag-risk naman. Okay? Kung mag-fail ka, try again. Try and try.
Okay, so wala to sa question pero as na rin, happy ka naman.
Yes naman.
Happy.
Yes. More
Ah,
than happy.
okay, so thank you. Thank you for the time. And
You're welcome.
okay, thank you.